This video is going to step you through the process of setting up a drawing of a chair in orthographic projection. You need to have a title block drawn first, and with all your information written in the light guidelines within the boxes. So your name there, the title here, and date and scale in there, which your teacher will provide. From this measurement here, or this vertical line within your title block, you need to measure 84 millimeters across the line to find overall the center, generally, approximately, the center of this box here. From that point, you're going to draw a line up vertically with your T-square, and then measure along that line these measurements: 30 millimeters, 75, 30, 68. They all need to be running measurements, so you start with your 30 and then make a mark and then measure along from that point, 75, etc. From those points you need to draw horizontal lines with your T-square going across the page, nearly touching the edge of the page. They don't have to, but again, all these lines are going to be super light construction lines, so it doesn't matter either or whether they touch the edge of the page or not. Your next step is to locate and draw the plan view that's generally going to be going up here and the main elevation. So the width of the chair is 70 millimeters, so for that this is the center line, this is the middle line, so we can measure 35 millimeters out either side and mark that off to center the views. Here you can see that from those two measurements that have been marked out, vertical lines have been drawn, and we have now two boxes with a separation of 30 millimeters in between, that the plan, details and view is going to be drawn in that top box, and this lower box is going to have the main elevation, so the front kind of view of the seat inside. One key method within an orthographic projection is the process of projecting your information between views. Now this will be supported by using these 45-degree lines that have been drawn out from these top two corners of the main elevation. You use your T-square and your set square together to get those accurate 45-degree lines. Here you can see that where the two key horizontal lines of the plan view at the moment have intersected with the 45-degree lines, they have been projected down vertical lines to intersect with the horizontal lines of the main elevation to create the boxes which the right-hand elevation, the left-hand elevation are going to sit within. You can see that now evenly there's a 30 millimeter gap between the vertical views of the object and the main elevation in the plane. So there you have it. That is the setup for your orthographic projection. Look out for the next video, which shows you how to start to add detail to these views and project between them to create a really interesting and accurate drawing of a chair design.